Good morning, students. I hope you have seen the previous video. So, in today's video, we are going to start with the MLA topic we have covered till legislature. And before that, you must be seeing that Himachal Pradesh map on the screen. So, we are going to talk about Himachal Pradesh too. We are going to take the example from the Himachal Pradesh state and we are going to understand what is MLA, constituencies, and many more things. Clear? So before that, I just want to take a quick revision of legislature. What is legislature? Legislature is basically a group of people who has the power or who has the right to change or to make the law. Clear? He or she has the power to make or to change the law. I hope this is clear. Now the next topic which we are going to cover in this video is about MLA. What is MLA? Who is MLA? What is the function of MLA? How that particular MLA is selected? Where does he go? Where does he sit? We are going to cover everything. Clear? So first of all, let me tell you the full form of MLA. The full form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. So from the full form only you will get here to know that what is legislative assembly, है ना. So basically legislative assembly, each and every state has its own legislative assembly. Clear? And the elected MLAs are going to sit and are going to have a meeting in that legislative assembly. Clear? It's basically simply you can take the example of your classroom and a library. Okay, some of the selected students which a teacher is going to select are going to sit in the library for having some discussion regarding the welfare of the school or welfare of the class. Understood? So basically MLA is the elected representative of the people. Understood? For example, a student of your class is going to elaborate the problems of your class which you are facing over there in the library. Same thing MLA is going to do at the legislative assembly. He or she is going to put up or raise the problem which the local people of his or her place is facing. Clear? So basically he or she gets elected and becomes a member of that assembly. And how he or she gets elected? So for getting elected, that particular person needs to stand in the election, and after he or she stands in the election and by the majority of vote, whoever wins the election will get a chance to be elected and go to the legislative assembly. So there they forms the government at the state level. Understood? For example, there are 28 states in India. Clear? And there are legislative assembly of each and every state. So here we are going to select one state, that is Himachal Pradesh. So the Himachal Pradesh is divided into various constituencies. Each and every state is being divided into various constituencies, not only Himachal Pradesh. So here we are going to take the example of this particular state only. So it has been divided into 68 constituencies. Just make the notes of whatever important points I am telling. Okay? So Himachal Pradesh is being divided into 68 constituencies. One representative is elected from each constituency. Understood? For example, your class 7th is being divided into 4 constituencies, and one particular student is being selected from each of the constituency, that is each section, and is going to sit in the library and is going to take forward all the problems which the students of his or her class is facing. So I hope you have understood from this example of your class. Now the elected representative will be called as the MLA. What is the name or what is the tag will be given to that particular person? The tag will be given of MLA. Okay? And the full form which I have taught you was Member of Legislative Assembly. Now that particular MLA will get a seat at the state parliament. Clear? That particular MLA will get a seat at the state parliament. Now different MLAs can belong to different parties. It's not necessary that for example, in a particular state, if a particular party is ruling, I'm going to take the example of Uttar Pradesh here. If in Uttar Pradesh UP government is ruling, BJP government is ruling, so it's not necessary ki if BJP government is ruling, only the MLAs of BJP party are going to sit in that legislative assembly. The elected person can be of BJP, can be of Congress, can be of any other party. Whoever is elected is going to sit at the legislative assembly. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Now here I am going to represent a small data of an election of 2017. I hope this is visible to you all. So basically here it is the result of the election which was being held in Himachal Pradesh in 2017. So political party, name of the political party is being given, and the number of elected member of legislative assemblies are given. ठीक है. So BJP number of MLAs 44 elected MLAs have won there. Indian National Congress, that is Congress, 21. ठीक है. Communist Party 1. Independent. Now what is independent? Basically independent are those who doesn't have any party. ठीक है. He or she will stand by himself or herself. वो अपने खुद से stand करेंगे and they will just stand on their own self. Clear? They are not going to stand from any party, and that is why they are called as independents. Now the total number of MLAs selected was 68. ठीक है. Now how the party is being formed? Party is basically formed by saying the maximum majority. So here if you see which party has got the majority, so you will say ma'am BJP has got the majority. So the total number here is 44. That is why the majority is given to BJP, and the leader of the party, that is chief minister, will be selected from the BJP, that is Bharatiya Janata Party. Clear? From that party it is going to be selected. Chief minister and other minister have the responsibility of that particular state and will be ruling that particular state. I hope this particular topic is clear and you don't have any confusion regarding it. Now I just want to ask one question from you all. Do you know who is the head of the country? Do you know who is the head of the country? Okay, this question is a homework and an assignment for you all, and you have to give me the answer on my WhatsApp number. Understood? I just want answer from you all, and I just want the answer to be on my WhatsApp number. The question is, who is the head of the country? Clear? Now moving towards the topic itself. So one of the MLAs, okay, one of the MLAs who is the most popular or who have the capability to rule a state becomes the CM or the chief minister. Clear? For example, there are 44 number of MLAs won the election in a party. ठीक है. BJP से there are 44 number of MLAs won. One of them, from one of the 44 MLAs, one person will be selected to get the seat of the CM. ठीक है. To get the seat of the chief minister. Now the chief minister has the role here. ठीक है. chief minister का role जो है that comes here now. What is the role of the chief minister? The role of the chief minister is to select different MLAs. ठीक है. Select different MLAs. He is going to select the MLAs from his party only, but his function is to select MLAs and give him or her a certain department. For example, you must have seen education minister, you must have heard railway minister, you must have heard different kind of ministers है ना. So all that ministers is the MLA which is being selected by the chief minister. Chief minister is being given the major responsibility of selecting different MLAs and giving them different departments to look after. Clear? Whatever the MLAs he or she, the chief minister, is going to select will look after the proper and the particular department which is being assigned to them. Understood? Now I hope this much topic is clear. Now your question will come कि ma'am there will be number of MLAs, there will be one CM, so where they are going to meet, है ना. So there must be some specific place जहाँ पे they will meet and they will discuss about their problems. So that particular place where they are going to meet is called the legislative assembly. That particular place is called the legislative assembly, which is known as Sansad Bhavan in Hindi. Understood? I think you must have no problem in this topic. And legislative assembly or MLAs, any other topic, if you are facing any confusion, you may ask the doubt freely, ठीक है, on my WhatsApp number. And I'm going to continue the next topic in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.